Hello everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll teach you how can you convert your any kind of video using your Android smartphone in any format. So first of all you have to install a software. But I have already a software which is video converter, and you have to open this one, but I have already installed. You can download this application from the Play Store, and there is lots of option available. Convert AVI, MP4, FLB, MPG 1 to sorry. And the first one is convert AVI MP4 FLB. And if you want to convert your file in MP4 file or FLB file or MPG file, you can choose the first option, and you can merge and join videos, and you can cut and trim. You can slow motion video effect also. You can create ringtone also. You can extract audio from video also. There is lots of option available, but I'm converting my video in MP4. Okay, that's why first of all I have to click here, and there is lots video available, but I think I should to change this one, so I'm choosing this one. And you can see it's telling me the file information. This is telling me that codec is 263 and resolution is 176 into 144, and the bit rate also 125 kbps, and the frame rate is only 13.40 fps, and the voice is AMR format. It means the recording from the oldest phone. And after this you have to just click in the arrow, it means next, and there is lots format available. You can choose the Android option also. If you want to make a video for Android, you can choose Apple. You can choose Apple also if you are using the Apple, and you can use Windows, BlackBerry, MPG, MP4, 3GP, NKB, Sony, FLB, Xbox. Lots options available, but I am converting this video in MP4 file. That's why I'm choosing the MP4. Okay, after this you have to just tap it in the next. Here is the most important options of this application. You can choose the FPS also from here. There is lots FPS available. I think 30 FPS is enough for me. And you can choose the resolution also. I think I need to choose this one, 720p only. 720p. You can choose the voice quality also. I'm choosing this one, MP3, and rate also. You can choose this one. I'm choosing 16,000 hertz only. After this you have to next, and there is it's telling me that before my video was 3GP. It was 176 into 144 resolution, and now I'm converting this video in HD quality, which is 720p. After this you have to just tap it into the right button, and I am tapping this one, and it's starting to work. Just wait for a moment. It's depend on your video size. My video size is small, that's why it's already completed too much fast. You can see this one, it's already converted my video. You can also use this video if you have any kinds of video format to convert. And hoping that you like this video.